Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable mini mode in BlueStack 5 player. So this is the app player where you can play Android games through your system, your desktop or PC or Windows or Macintosh. And here, in order to minimize, just click this minimize. And there is one more feature. Instead of a minimize, you can use this mini player or mini view. So here we go. Just simply click three stripe at the top of your screen, then select mini mode. Here we go. This is the BlueStack 5 mini mode. So you can adjust the size or the aspect ratio through this slider, and here you can maximum, and this is the minimum or the mini mode. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.